What's up out there? Today we're going to do something different. Today I want to demonstrate a black colored hoodies, something that you just can't get. I'm going to show you what I do to make black colored hoodies. So let's get started. I guess, yeah, let's get started. So I wanted to make a hoodie that consists of like 5 different colors, five different colors, and I wanted each part or each appendage of the hoodie to have a color. So to make that happen, I had to purchase 5 different to 6 different colors of the same hoodie. Now this one I already disassembled the hood. I'm going to show you how you cut. Now, the idea when you cut this, if you wear a size large, you want to bump it up to an extra large. The difference in sizes is not really that wide. It's not too big, not too long. If you can fit a large, you can fit an extra large. So what you need, and also what that does is sometimes certain sizes are not available in a certain color that you need. So it's okay to move up a size just to get your color. Remember, you will be disassembling different hoodies. So it's a lot of labor involved. It's a lot, but when the result is finished, you're gonna love the outcome of this. So right here, I'm going to just cut. You want to cut along the edge, sort of get it sort of in the middle. You want to get as most of the sleeve as possible. You could get an X-Acto blade and pick it apart, but it's really time consuming. If you have the time, you can do that. I don't have the time, so I'm going to just cut right along the, catch you right in the middle of the seam on the hoodie and preserve as much as possible. That way, when it's time to reattach to the body, I'm only going to give it 1/4 of an inch. Thank God this material does not fray, but you want to just preserve as much of the sleeve as possible, because you will be reattaching it. And then the armhole in the body of this semi stays intact, but you will be taking something away. So this is what you should be left with on the body of the hoodie. And then this is what the sleeve, is going to look like. Now in doing this, it became real repetitive for me, and I'm the kind of person that I get real bored doing the same thing over and over again. Though I was having fun, I wanted to turn it up a little bit more. So I took one of the sleeves, actually 2 of the sleeves, and I actually diced it up into different parts, sort of like, almost like, made it look like Freddy Krueger sweater, but in multiple colors. I'm going to show you that in a minute, but that's another thing that you can do. You can freestyle with this, and just keep in mind that every line that you draw and cut, you're going to be reassembling. So at one point, you're going to have to make a piece bigger than normally what it is, just to compensate for the different lines divided up. Okay. And again, the hood's off. You could take the pocket off, it's up to you. I opted to, on this run, to leave the pouch, pocket on. Like I said, it's a lot of labor involved taking these apart, but the end results are really amazing. You're gonna really love it, and it's a great way to if you have like sneakers that are of a color scheme that's like totally like something you just can't match, this is a great way to like get all the colors that are involved. But keep in mind, as you purchase all the colors in the hoodie form, you will be picking up 5 more hoodies. So if you choose to reassemble every one, that turns into what, multiple hoodies. So you may set out to get one, it's going to turn out you're going to have 5. So you have a bunch of stuff that maybe you can, give away as gifts, or just have one for every day of the week. May not have been your intentions, but think about that. So now we're going to stitch the sleeve. This one, we just cut this guy off, and we're going to attach this to this body. Get the black color going. What you want to do is open up your seam, match it to the armpit of the body. And then this, now you want to sort of tether it. It's a fleece. This is a fleece hoodie, so it wants to curl. So you have to sort of keep checking it to make sure everything is sort of flushed out. Keep your seams lined up. I don't use pens. I do it freehand. And I try to keep it as close as possible. Keep enough meat on the edge. Try to keep at least at 1/4 of an inch. Keep flipping it. Check it. Just check it. I usually get checks it. So far, this looks, it's matching up really well. There's no extra puckering or, yeah. Yep. Sticking the way the good Lord intended it to. Very good. That's what I'm talking about. Wait until you see what you got and did. Who do you see that done did? Really cool. This was one of those seams that I had fun. We had a lot of fun with. It's the Kruger stripes. And then here's the other colors. So this is the result. And you see the results of like up to 5 to 6 hoodies. Totally interchange them. And that's how you get your black colored hoodie. Not easy to order, not easy to buy in blanks. So you just gotta, it's one of those things that if you really want it, you gotta make it happen. You really gotta make it happen. And as you see, it can be done. It takes a lot of patience, precise cutting, and have fun. Again, another project that's just fun to do. And there's that bread that we just stitched onto the blue. I showed you guys. I took the turquoise glue off, and then this is the Freddy Krueger sleeves. Dang! See that? And as you see, the Knicks had to do this for the Knicks. Come on, y'all. I know y'all can do it. You're already doing it. Up 3. Let's go. Do it for me. Look at that dip for y'all. I'm gonna put the Knicks on the sleeve if y'all win. Y'all already win this though. Because y'all from New York. No doubt. This came out nice, y'all. Kind of nice. Really fun. And the thing that's cool is you opt for one and you wind up picking up all of this at the same time. You pick up all of this. Yeah. So that was real fun. Next episode, we're gonna be taking a nostalgia trip. We're gonna be looking at some nice leathers that I did in the past. Be looking at some nice leathers. That's next week.